Dating doesn't have to cost a fortune to be meaningful. In fact, a big shift is happening. Many young people are spending $0 a month on dating. Welcome to the romance recession. Today on CozyBond, we'll explore how to build connection, keep safety first, and make cheap dates feel priceless. Between economic pressure, busy lives, and changing priorities, half of Gen Z now reports spending nothing on dating monthly. This isn't just penny pinching, it's a cultural shift toward intentional, low-cost connection. People want value, authenticity, and time, not just flashy nights out. Here's why it actually helps your love life. Low-cost dating forces creativity, prioritizes conversation over status, and reveals whether someone values you or the experience. Dating on a budget filters for intention. Are they here for you or the restaurant? Also, young daters are increasingly practicing emotional honesty and clear coding, saying what they want instead of playing games. That clarity pairs perfectly with budget-friendly dating. Try these 7 low-cost dates that actually build intimacy. 1. Cook together at home, pick one recipe, laugh at mistakes, share plating. 2. Walking tour with a twist, pick a theme, and take photos. 3. DIY playlist exchange, spend 10 minutes curating songs for each other and listen together. Music sparks memory and meaning. 4. 2-person book club, read the same short story and meet for coffee to discuss one scene. 5. Sunset picnic with homemade snacks, simple, intimate, low pressure. 6. Volunteer together, it reveals values faster than a date night. 7. Game night for 2, cooperative board games or online co-op games if you're long distance. Play, laugh, lose together. All of these cost very little, but create shared stories, and shared stories create emotional closeness. Low cost doesn't mean low safety. Scammers and fake profiles are still common. Reports show suspicious or fraudulent accounts are encountered often on dating platforms. Always protect your personal info and meet public first. If someone pushes for secrecy or asks for money, that's an immediate red flag. Quick safety checklist. Always video call before meeting, share your location with a friend, choose public meeting spots, and trust your gut. If anything feels off, end the date early and report the profile. Presentation is everything. Add candles, a handwritten note, or a thoughtful playlist. The point isn't money, it's attention. That tiny effort signals care and turns a simple walk or meal into something memorable. Dating on a budget is here to stay, and it can be deeply romantic if you focus on time, creativity, and safety. If this helped, like and subscribe to CozyBond for more modern relationship tips. Comment below, what's your favorite cheap date idea or one you'd love to try? See you next time. Keep your heart open and your wallet calm.